So we'll try and assemble FSE-81 today. This is the product. This is how you're going to get the machine. We will assemble it now. You get a manual, the motor, and the drive shaft. The manual has all the instructions that are provided with the machine. We'll explain how to install the drive tube 1 and 2. There's a arrow mark in it. There's a small hole in it, which is marked here. So we'll follow the instructions and try to install this machine now. This machine, you're provided with the spanner, the tool to open all these screws. So you have to press it from here. And then you can slowly remove this tool. So this tool is very important. Now we'll connect the pipe to the machine. Now there's a small hole where we'll try and insert it in the shaft. Okay. So this V-shaped cut, you have to be careful. This will go inside. Here I'll remove it again. This marking needs to get inside. Now this is inserted. We can tighten the screw. After installing this plug, tighten it. Then we will check if this has been installed properly or not. We will just slowly move this by hand and check this one. This motor should also rotate. I'm rotating here. Can you see the motor is rotating or not? That means the motor has been installed properly. So as per the instructions, we have inserted the first pipe here. We made sure that the V cut is on the front side. And then we have a small marking till A. We need to push this till A here. And this is how the marking is shown here inside. This is a small vent and it needs to be inserted till here. And then we checked with the shaft whether the motor is moving or not. Now it's moving. Now we will install the handle, which is this one. Now we'll install this handle regular now. And there are two screws. One is small, one is big. We'll use the bigger one and we'll connect this handle. So this is according to your convenient height. You can install it here, here or here. So the way of installing this is just insert it. And there's a small push type lock. So you need to push it down. So now we'll install the bigger screw in this one. This is very tight to install, so you might have to hit it down properly so that it fits properly and snug to the shaft. So ये कभी tight होगा, but इसको जोर से push करके ही lock करना पड़ेगा. So fit and insert properly. Next, we will mount this reflector. So as you can see, there is this space here, and the nut bolts are going to get inserted here. So this portion will fit it properly like this. You just have to push it a little harder, wiggle it a bit, थोड़ा हिला के इसको अच्छे से डालिए. You can see this nut being able to insert properly from one portion to another. So once you tighten this, let's see the nut coming out a little, the bolt. That's it, that is tightened now. Now, as per the instructions, we have installed the mounting deflector. We have installed the deflector completely. Now we are going to install the cutting attachment. So we have to keep the machine in this way to install the auto cut. Now, along with the machine, you will notice we have provided safety glasses. This is a must. So we'll install this on this now. All you have to do is just insert it here. Now once it's inserted on the top, you will tighten it. Just hold this trimmer head and tighten it from here. And once you feel it is getting tightened a bit, and you tighten it till here, and then you will see it cannot be tightened anymore, but you have to hold this. If you move this, then it will move. So hold the black part and tighten this. Once this is tightened, that means the trimmer head is working fine. So now this is a depth wheel. Depth wheel is used for the safety of the trimmer head, and if you are vertically cutting anything or horizontally cutting anything as shown in the manual, then you need the depth wheel. Now to install the depth wheel, from the trimmer head's outer cover, you need to slide it in from here. So you slide it in like this, and there's a locking system here. You would hear a tick sound. That means it is installed. So this is used as a safety as well, whereas it's used horizontally while it's cutting as well as straight while you're cutting. So that is the complete installation of our FSE-81 electric edge trimmer. Just follow the instructions in the manual and you should be able to install this. And of course, this machine doesn't come with a connector. You need to buy a 2-in-1 connector and connect it to the socket. Whichever length wire you want to install, use the wire and use this machine. If you have any trouble, you can contact our office.